In this video, we will review the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 and see if it actually is the best option for you. So here are some Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses, and you can find them right here. Well, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 smart glasses are a significant upgrade over the first generation, offering much improved battery life and better camera that can record video in 3K. Its battery life is almost around 10 hours, and Gen 1's around 3 to 4 hours only. This new one can last up to 10 days or all day for many users. The camera is also a major improvement since it can record around 3K of video with instead of just 1080 pixel. Photo quality is also better, capturing 12 megapixel on the upgrade from 5. The video stabilization is also good, making footage shot while moving much smoother. The design is also lightweight feel, speaker and microphone quality is consistent, and many software features are the best. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.